So far we have onions, spring onions, green beans, ground beef, and a crying baby. So now that everyone is spending a lot more time at home, which means that we need to feed ourselves. So I'm gonna be doing a little cook with me. I am gonna be preparing lunch for Jonathan and I today. So typically when I cook, I wing it. So this should be interesting because I actually have no idea what I am cooking yet. All I know is that I'm gonna be cooking ground beef because that's what I brought out this morning. And otherwise, we gonna see. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if it's your first time here. I've brought out my ground beef. It's been defrosting. I have these silicone reusable Ziploc bags that I got from Amazon. I'm trying to be like more sustainable. So I honestly don't really know what to make. Let's see what's going on in the fridge. What is going on in the fridge? We have green beans. Let me bring out these spring onions. You can use those. And then, yeah, I think I'll bring out these green beans. Yeah, you guys have been saying that you want vlogs about life as a mother. This audio is life as a mother. I've also brought out some onions. I'm just gonna start by cooking the beef and then we'll see what inspiration hits me. So I'm gonna add some spices. I've already added salt and pepper. What else we got here? What else am I in the mood? Jonathan, do you want rice or pasta? So Jonathan said that he wanted pasta, so I'm going to go Italian with my flavor profiles. I'm gonna add garlic. This garlic is really old. I'm trying to finish it. I have fresh garlic, but yeah, I'm just trying to finish, yeah. Literally this much garlic, so much garlic. I'm gonna also add thyme. This kid is angry. And I always add pepper to everything because I'm West African, so I'm gonna add cayenne. I don't think I added enough salt before, so I'm gonna salt a little bit more, put a little bit more black pepper. Turn the heat up and get this beef cooked. Yo, this is the realest video of all time because this kid is just crying in the background. I like just fed him 30 minutes ago, so he's not hungry. Yeah, so if you want to know what parenthood is like, it is like having a baby cry at the most inopportune moments. Because he was fine all day until right now when I wanted to make a video. Now he's wailing, so gotta love it. So while the beef is cooking down, I'm going to start working on the green beans. I'm just gonna first chop off the ends and then wash them. Then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with them. I love the fact that our apartment came with a stove, but the one annoying thing is that the burners are like pretty small. So you can only really use 2 at a time. That one's electric and I prefer to cook with gas. So, and it kind of makes cooking strategic. Like I have to think about like what order I'm gonna be doing things in because I don't have that much space. So I never cook for just one meal. I always cook to make leftovers, so that way I don't have to cook so often. So I put in about 4 servings. If you're using pasta bags, I store my pasta in a container, but if you're using bags, just like 1 full bag of pasta or 1 full box of pasta should be enough for 4. Okay, now since we're having pasta and not rice, I'm gonna make the beef tomato-y. So I think I have some canned tomatoes in the fridge. Oh, leftovers. You know what? I also think we have leftover stew that I'm just going to add because Jonathan said it's only enough for 1 person. So I'm gonna add both of these. There we go. I would never store tomatoes like this, but I'm not going to store them. So I needed sauce. I'm gonna add some water right into this. Now here's our leftover stew. I'm gonna go right in here too. You are going to think I am insane, but I really like throwing random things together unexpectedly. So I'm actually going to make this more of a vodka sauce. Not alcohol vodka, but like a lighter red sauce as opposed to like a bolognese sauce. So in order to do that, I am going to add, I feel like y'all about to X out of this video, but I'm about to add milk to make this creamier. Trust me, it's gonna be good. I promise. You just have to trust me, okay? Here's what my sauce is looking like. I normally, if I'm making like a vodka penne sauce, I would normally add butter, but the stew has oil in it, so I'm not going to add any butter. I know somebody just unsubscribed, but listen, this is how I cook. I cook in a very random, throw it together, experimental way, and 99% of the time, it comes out really, really, really nice. So it's missing the Italian flavoring. So I'm going to add a bunch of rosemary, and I'm gonna add more garlic. No, does it have enough garlic? It has enough garlic. I'm gonna add more rosemary. I would have added more milk, but I like the thickness of it. Like, I'm happy with the consistency, but let me add a bit more milk because it is going to cook down and reduce. Let's just finish this bottle of milk. There we go. I'm gonna cut some rosemary and some spring onion and add it to the sauce, but otherwise I'm pretty satisfied with the sauce. And I'm gonna wait for the spaghetti to cook down, and then I just need to cook the green beans, and then we're done. So to remove the herbs from a rosemary twig, you just kind of slide your hand down in the opposite direction. That takes everything off of the twig. Like so. Bam. All right, now I need to stir my pasta. Now it's time to make my green beans, which I did not forget about. Favorite cooking pan ever. So I'm tired of moving the camera, so I'm just gonna squat and hope that my hair doesn't catch on fire. So this is the chicken broth that I was talking about. It's I seasoned the chicken with rosemary and suya spice. I know, random, I love it. Came out really, really well. So I'm gonna add this to the pan and then just saute the green beans in this yummy, delicious, like, sauce. The kid's crying again. So the pasta's done. So I'm going to mix it with the sauce. I want to mix it with the sauce, or I want to serve them separately. I'm gonna mix them with the sauce because I don't think the sauce can really be repurposed for anything besides pasta. Pasta drained. Why is this crackling? Ooh, that smells good. Look at that. I wish you could smell through video. It smells amazing. It's like buttery, garlicky, rosemary, spicy deliciousness. I'm gonna take my sauce and add it to my pan. No one has time for that. This is hard to do one-handed. All right, let's start there. Oh, that just looks so good and rich. I've served myself my pasta and green beans, and top it all off with some Parmesan. Just dust that on top. That's actually really good. Mixed stew and milk, people. It works. Oh, so creamy. And green beans at crunch. Successful meal. If I told you I put stew and milk in it, would you believe me? Does it taste good? Does it taste okay? No?
I mean, yeah, it's just, I can't taste it, like, it's fine. I've seen people do that.
Stew and milk?
Yeah, sauce and make it.
Yeah, sauce and milk, but not stew.
No, I'm making a stew.
I'm making Nigerian stew?
Brown bean stew.
Yeah. I mean, have you thought about Nigerian stew mixed with milk? What? Here's what we had. So yeah, thanks so much guys for watching my cook with me experimentation. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely give this one a thumbs up and let me know down below in the comments what else you would like to see me cook, whether you want breakfast, meals, or lunch, or dinner, or whatever. Otherwise, I'm going to finish this amazing bowl of pasta with ground beef and green beans and whatever else I added to it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.